Not sure if it worked. Yeah, it's not giving me any. Okay. So as soon as I move the cursor, the icon also changes. So there are definitely certain issues with this basic example of the extension. So this does not work for us. So what I'm gonna do is, since we already have a directory structure, I'm gonna go about creating a extension specifically. So create a popup.html for a Chrome extension that has copy button and uses CSS styling. Since popup.html is linked to popup.js and popup.js connects with content.js, this whole thing is linked. So probably I should go about asking create the whole package js manifest.js content.js background.js. okay, so these are the files. The extension picks up colors from a web page. Make the extension fully working. Edge case scenarios. Okay, this time I went with a little bit more question. So my query is a bit long, but considering my first run, I had certain issues. It wasn't working properly, so I just mentioned that it should be working properly and should handle all the edge case scenarios, if any. So let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so it's taking time in thinking. Okay, so my manifest.json looks pretty much the same, I think. Service worker background, but in any case I'm just gonna copy it. It looked the same, but it wasn't the same, I guess. Then comes the popup.html with a little bit of styling added into it, so that's a good thing. Now popup.js, which is here. Oh, okay, so I have a little bit more code. It's storing it into a local storage, I guess. It's getting the color from the storage. Copy color to clipboard. Nope, maybe I'm wrong. Let's see. Anyway, content.js. Okay, now the next one is background.js. Also has a little bit more code. No color selected, displays a message. Okay, let's see if this works for us. And of course it has some errors. Context.draw window is not a function. It's in content.js at line number 26. Although it's saying that this is my issue, so why am I getting... yeah, there is issue. So to debug the error, what I can do is just select the code. Actually, I'm going to select the whole function and this will be auto selected for me, and just type in my error. So I'm just going to copy this and paste it here, and it should technically fix the issue. That's the whole point. That's why I'm using the AskQuery extension. Okay, so it changed the color, the code, sorry, get colors. So now it's not using that thing. Okay, so RGB to hex, I'm just gonna copy the whole code and replace it. Okay, so there are two functions for RGB to hex with different parameter values, different parameters, sorry. So let's see if it fixes my errors. I'll reload it and it still has the same error at the same point almost. But now we are not using the context.raw window, so maybe this is the issue connected to caching. So I'm just gonna remove the whole extension itself and add it again. Yeah, see, there is no error anymore. So I'm gonna test the extension again. I should be able to see it here. It's here, and now I have a styling aspect added to the extension. Of course, you can change it as per your style, as per you want to look the extension to be. So yeah, it's totally up to you.